How's it going, everyone? Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. I'm standing on a 2026 Barletta Lusso. This is a QCSS. This boat, absolutely beautiful, black exterior with the nice gray interior and the Barletta stitching, of course. I want to point out some of my favorite features on this boat, and it's going to be how much room we have at the back of this boat. This platform is an extra 1.5 feet from where the tubes are, making it really nice access to be able to jump off. You have your nice, big, sturdy lily pad ladder, powered by a 300 Pro Verado engine. Now, walking into this boat, I love that there are armrests in the back and in the front of the seats here. And new for 2026 is the new Barletta Lusso dash. So you'll have dual SIM rats here, controls of all your lighting, your music, your gauges on here, as well as your charts. Very nice features coming to the front. Again, nice armrest, and you also have storage underneath every single seat in this boat. It's very easy to get in and access to everything. And of course, your storage locker in the front. Come see this boat today at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website.